Hi, my name is Richie, and in this video I want to show you how to use diatomaceous earth for your hydrangeas. Let's go! Diatomaceous earth is a fine, powdery substance made from the fossilized remains of microscopic algae. It is primarily composed of silica and can naturally support plant care in the garden. This natural powder has many benefits for gardening. For example, it effectively keeps pests like slugs and aphids away and helps prevent fungal diseases such as powdery mildew. Diatomaceous earth consists of tiny, sharp particles. These disrupt the movement of pest insects, irritate them, and in the case of slugs, can dehydrate their bodies, making it a natural barrier against them. Against fungi, it works by absorbing excess moisture, reducing the spread of fungal infections. To prevent issues, lightly dust or sift the powder onto affected leaves and around the base of the plants. Diatomaceous earth can also be added directly to the soil. It improves soil structure, enhancing aeration and moisture retention, which supports strong root development. It also contains important minerals such as silica, magnesium, and calcium, which contribute to stronger stems, roots, and overall plant resistance. We can simply sprinkle diatomaceous earth onto the soil. Take a handful of diatomaceous earth and sprinkle it around the base of your hydrangeas. As I have already mentioned, this natural powder helps keep pests like slugs and aphids away by preventing fungal diseases such as powdery mildew. Diatomaceous earth isn't just for pest control. It also improves soil structure, promoting better aeration and moisture retention for strong root development. For a more even distribution, you can use a floor sifter or anything similar for its application. It can be applied once a week or as needed, especially after rain, since moisture reduces its effectiveness. Over-application is not really a concern, as it is a completely natural substance, but excessive amounts may slightly increase soil alkalinity, which could affect certain plants, such as blue hydrangeas. Now let's see how to use diatomaceous earth in the garden and how it benefits your plants. Diatomaceous earth is a natural way to keep pests like slugs, aphids, and ants away. Its microscopic sharp edges dehydrate and repel these unwanted visitors without harming your plants. It also helps prevent fungal disease, such as powdery mildew. Simply dust a light layer on the soil or in affected areas to reduce moisture buildup and fungal spread. Mixing diatomaceous earth into the soil improves aeration and helps retain moisture. This supports healthy roots development and overall plant growth. It's completely natural and safe to use in your garden. Unlike chemical pesticides, it won't harm beneficial insects or disrupt soil health. Applying diatomaceous earth is simple. Just sprinkle it by hand or use a sifter for an even distribution around plants. Since moisture reduces its effectiveness, remember to reapply diatomaceous earth after heavy rain to maintain its pest control benefits. Let's take a quick look at everything once more together. Keeps pests away. Helps prevent fungal disease. Improves soil quality. Natural and safe. Easy to apply. reapply after rain. One last tip to finish off. Although it's hard to over-apply, excessive amounts can slightly increase soil alkalinity, which may affect plants like blue hydrangeas. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments. Find more gardening tips and resources at hydrangealibrary.com. I hope you found this video helpful and give diatomaceous earths a try in your garden. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy gardening!